In this video we will be drawing this gear in the AutoCAD. Okay, it is a sprocket where it is having a 68 tooth, and it is a 68 tooth sprocket. So we are going to draw this sprocket in the AutoCAD version. Okay, so let us go in this AutoCAD and let us draw this one. Okay, so for that let me go in this AutoCAD and let's click on the start drawing option here. So here the drawing sheet will be given. Okay, so first of all we have to create the units, dimensions and limits. Okay, so for that click on here and click on UN. So here you can see the units have been appeared. Click on this one. So after clicking on the units, here you can see it has been given. Okay, so here you can select whichever way you want, but here I am selecting decimal since the gear is having the decimal measures only, decimal lengths, decimal distances only. Okay, so here I am selecting this 0.00 precision. Okay, next let us click on this OK option here. Okay, so after the units have been set, we have to give the dimension units and length units. Okay, so for that click on this D enter. So after clicking on the D enter, the dimensions will be open. In the dimensions we have to give the precision and the units which we will be taking. Okay, so click on this modify option. So here you can see the decimals are decimals only, and the precision as we have taken earlier in units, so the same precision is continued here. Okay, next click on this OK option here, and next click on this close option here. So it has been given. Okay, so next what we have to do is we have to give the limits for this one. So I am giving the LIM enter. So limits can be seen. So here I am giving the lower left corner limits as 0, 0, 0, enter, and the upper right corner is given as the limits as 1000, 1000, enter. Okay, so the sheet has been provided for us. Okay, after provided with the sheet, so our next step, immediate step, is to draw the outer circle and the circles inside the outer circles. Okay, so for that go on here and let us see what is the outer circle. So here you can see the outer circle is having the diameter of 354.57. okay, so for that let us draw this outer dia circle, and next this inner dia circle will be consisting of 339.21. okay, so first let us draw this circle. Okay, 354.57. okay, click on the center diameter. So here the circle has been given. Okay, 354.57. next the inner circle is of 339.21. okay, so for that click on the circle 3. You can see here it is of 339.21. okay, 339.21. so here 339.21. okay, on the circle. Okay, so here the inner circle is also being given. So our next step is that we have to give the tooths for that one. Okay, so for that click on this line enter option here. From here onwards we will be taking, click on this F8. Click on this one, and you have to give the angle, certain angle. Okay, so for that let us see what will be the angle we so it is a 68 tooth rear socket, so it will be totally consisting of 68 tooths. Okay, so for that here you can see we have to take the circle here, or let me create a circle and see how it is going. Okay, so for that go here and let us take a circle. Okay, 7.85 mm. Let us take this 7.85 circles. Okay, so for that click on this circles one, let us go here, so 7.85, click on this interaction here, so it is not at all good. So for that let us go here and delete this option. So I will be drawing the circle by connecting with these two. This side, click on this move option, let me move this to this side, and on escape option here let us copy this circle and create an array. Okay, you have to specify the center point of an array. Okay, so the number of layers will be 68. Here you can see it is as 68. Okay, again 68, click on the center option here, so it is becoming too large. So for that let us give the circles by normal means only. Okay, instead of giving circle, let us give this one. Okay, so for that go here in polar tracking mode, click on this 45 one, so click on this line and let us give this one here. It will be of 150. To give this with such distance less than what will be the angle. So I think the angle will be taken as a minus the 30, so it will be 150. Okay, so this one, let me give this from here at 150. Direction. Okay, so for that directly we will be giving. Okay, so I am giving 14 less than 50 degrees. Click on escape option here, so it has been created here, you can clearly see. So next, before that let us see here whether it is intersecting or not. Okay, here it is intersecting, so for that click on this here mirror option here, specify this point and let us give to this side. Okay, so for that click on this F8 option here, on this one, let us make a fillet out of this. Click on this fillet and let us give some radius. Okay, so the radius we will be providing is how much? Let us give the radius as 10. Let radius, click on this excursion. So we have to select on radius. So click on enter. So I am giving the radius as 5. Click on enter. Click on this one. So next we have to join this one. So select this one. Click on J, enter. Will be joined. Okay, so for that click on this escape option here. Since it is not joined, click on this, select all of this, click on J, that means join. So it has been joined. Next we have to select this one and we have to move this towards this side. Okay, so for that click on here, click on this option here. Okay, next we have to go to this polar array and we have to specify the center point. Okay, so here we will be giving it as 68. Let us see whether it will be coming. So here you can see, okay, the 68 sprocket has been given. Okay, so before that we have to join this ones. Okay, so for that what I will be doing is first of all I will be joining these points. Okay, so for that click on this trim option, click on this extend, click on the enter option here. Let me join this one and let me join this one. Okay, click on this extend option, click on this. Okay, next let us go here and trim this one. Okay, so for that click on this, click on trim option, click on enter here. Okay, so it is completely been deleted. Here you can see it has been joined. So in the same way we have to do this to other sides also. Click on this one, click on this array option here. We have to specify the center point for that one. I am specifying the center point and let the distance be taken as 68. Click on enter option here. So the sprockets has been given. Okay, so next what we have to do is we have to trim all of this part. Okay, so for that let us click on this closer option here. So here you have to trim. Okay, so for that go to here trim option here. Next click on select, or else let us trim all of this one. Okay, let me see what will be happen. Click on the center option here. So I will be skip the video till it has been trimmed. Okay, also been given. Next let us close this array. And next what we have to do is we have to give the inner circles. Okay, so for that go here and let us see here. So what are these inner circles diameters and etc. Okay, so for that